How to replace a Vaniman StoneVac HEPA filter cartridge. Unlatch the door on the front of the StoneVac unit and remove the dustbin. Unscrew the wing nut at the bottom of the cartridge inside. Remove the metal washer, followed by the rubber washer. Bring the old cartridge down from the bracket and remove it. To install the new cartridge, remove it from the plastic bag and hold it in place around the bracket against the plate at the top, ensuring a proper seal with the gasket on the cartridge. Also be sure to check the seal periodically, as the shaker motor may cause it to come loose over time. Put the new rubber washer from the package and the metal washer into place. And then screw on the wing nut until secure. Make sure it's secure, but do not over-tighten it. Place the dustbin back in and close and latch the front door. If you have any questions, contact Vaniman at service@vaniman.com or by phone at 760-723-1498.